drilled.
Yeah. Can barely see it through the dirty window. Anything to say?
No, it's pretty basic. We're just gonna use the hole punch, put a divot in the top of each of these rivets.
These rivets are already drilled out.
Getting close.
I feel like I'm getting close. Getting close to your leg with the tools. I'm afraid I'm gonna get you.
All right. I know that we have 4 rivets inside, obvious, and then I don't know what else.
Let me just keep working this around and make sure that I've loosened the edge on the outside.
All right. Ready? Give it a tug.
Okay.
Will you look at that?
Ta-da! Yeah. All right. Ugh.
Yeah.
Love. There's a lot of shavings and stuff. Mind your eyes, please.
Yep. Okay.
All right, let's open the box.
All right, I'll be right up.
We actually have a lot of cleanup to do before.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
But
Yep.
it's exciting either way.
Yep.
So I'm hoping this has a template in it. Could you push that box closer to me? Thank you.
Did you just kill a spider? With no hesitation?
Remove plastic film from top of lid and discard foam pad 1. To remove foam pad 2 on top of motor, open the lid by using the manual opening knob located on the underside of the Max fan. To remove foam pad 3, rotate all 4 insect screen retaining knobs. Half turn to remove the interior screen. There's a lot of foam, apparently.
First step is to take it apart.
Seems like it might be. We've got some butt connectors and some screws. Instructions and foam removal. This is going to be a primo piece of cardboard for
Thank you.
eBay.
Don't want anything bad to happen to it. You have to cut a flange.
It's been a long time coming, especially because I've purchased not 1 but 2 fantastic fans for Dreamboat, and then I've installed them on that Airstream.
Which looks like it's in jail right now.
When we were in Salt River Canyon, when we were driving through Salt River Canyon, we had one that wasn't manual. And those are nice in theory, but when it keeps electrically trying to just open in the middle of snow and sleet and rain for no reason, it is not awesome. So we know very obviously which way the hinge is. Then it says to place the fan in the hole. Our hole isn't quite right.
I think the best thing we can do is use that flange. Yep, go ahead, lift it up. I think we need to use the flange to figure out what the first step in making the hole bigger is.
Doing a very good job. But I've marked the... I've marked the corners here, on here, and I know that this flange is so big, it's so wide, that I can easily have half an inch, probably closer to an inch of extra cutting if I need to. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna just be very conservative. So I've marked where the corners of this will sit, and we're gonna cut out the corners on both pieces of aluminum, the roof piece and the inside piece. And we're gonna do some fiddly test fitting. And I know you guys are like, gosh, guys, wait a minute, halt, alert. There's still a lot of sealant and stuff here. Yeah, I don't wanna pick sealant off stuff that I can just trim off first. So we're going to make razor sharp edges first, and then we're gonna pick off and clean the space. Ready? I'm gonna test fit this. It's gonna hit on this skin here, but it should fit on the outside.
All right.
Okay.
I'll figure out what I gotta figure out from the inside. I think I know how to do this. All right, Shanna's gonna drill a hole straight down so it'll wind up about right there. And then I can make a straight line down to this corner that we've already drilled, and that'll allow us to have this inside flange cut, because we have to cut back quite a bit and square off this corner.
I'm gonna need a little resistance from you.
Yep, I'm gonna hold this still, and you don't see wires, right, near the drill
No.
bit? Okay, we're good. Perfect. All right, last corner, check for wires.
No wires.
Good.
I need a little more resistance, please.
Good.
Try for the wires, buddy.
Figure out which way to start. This way will be better. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Andrew, why are you cutting it funny instead of square like we usually do?
So these are actually left-handed. They're made to cut either straight or left-handed curves, and they actually don't cut to the right very well. So what I'm doing is actually, it's easier to start them going around this way.
Oh.
So I'm gonna come back and then finish my cuts.
Oh, okay. There's a bundle of wires we need to be mindful of right here.
Yep.
All right, let me test fit again and see.
Yep. Towards the driver's seat corner, it's still rubbing a little bit right here.
Okay. Be super nice if I had time to tape and make this glorious, but as usual.
Nicely done.
Quickly done. I don't know why these hex screw things are here, And I'm just gonna put some sealant on it. I had started removing the sealant, but I have to strip the paint and stuff off and do some roof work. And we work pretty slowly on Dreamboat as time allows. And so I just want them sealed so it's not leaking on the inside.
I'll get this one in the corner. Here on the inside, we've got to make the electrical connection for the fan. So these are the wires dropped out of the fan. These are the circuits here in Dreamboat. So the yellow is actually the power wire for the yellow circuit. The circuits in here are color coded. So there's a pink circuit, yellow comes down again back there. At any rate, I'm gonna make these connections now, and I couldn't be happier to take these crimp-on butt connectors and place them gently out of the way, and use these Wago connectors to make the 12-volt electrical connection. Quickly strip about a 1/2 inch. Tight.
Wow.
Yep. Quick and easy. Tabs, full rotation.
I kind of like that better than the Fantastic fan, which I always feel like I'm about to break.
Yep, it always feels like it's about to break right before it lets go. Little foam block out. Free spinning. And put the screen back. You're a little nervous about how close there's a bundle of wires that runs right here, but fortunately the screws are like halfway to the gap and they don't actually come into where that would be bad. We don't have a house battery in the system, so Shanna's gonna have to start them up to be able to test this. Stop smiling.
It's definitely a burden I'm willing to bear. Come on, baby, you know you want to start. Fan on.
And there we go.
Well, I would say it was super quiet, but you can't hear anything over the engine anyway.
Yeah. When this starts cold, it idles high for a little bit, and the automatic choke will kick down the idle eventually.
Let me get it to idle down.
Just a tap of the gas pedal, and it's quieter.
All right, listen. It's beautifully quiet.
Yeah.
Does it turn off when you close it?
Let's give it a try.
It does not.
Okay. Well, we wanted one that was uncomplicated, so the good news is it's simple.
I like this push to lock situation
Yep.
that it has on the knob.
Yep.
Oh,
That's good.
that's wonderful.
All right, let's figure out that flange.
You need to cut the interior bezel.
Yep. That's as much as I can get up in there. So what I've got here is about 1.5 inches in before it stops on something. So I need to come down here and measure 1.5 inches and cut
All the way around.
all the way around at 1.5 inches.
Okay.
That's the idea.
Oh yeah. That looks great.
And put these two in at this end and then drill the other end just in case it wants
Slides.
to move a little bit. Yeah. I'm thinking about this since I'm here. I'm just gonna pre-drill for another screw right in the middle here. And that way the screw will be here the next, or the hole will be here the next time I get a screw.
You could even put a white head rivet in there if you wanted, Andrew. Not today.
Yeah.
Okay. What were you trying to do?
I don't know. There it is. So, and then nice.
You immediately feel the air being sucked in.
Sucked in, sucked up. Good, good.
It'll also probably pull exhaust, so we're gonna wanna get his house batteries and stuff.
You can hear high speed, and that'll be off.